We're out here at the Cannes Film Festival with Victor Toth from the East Journal, originally from Udine. Victor, how's it going?
It's going fine. This is my third year. I'm getting used to it now, so it's always fun to go to Cannes, so I'm glad to be here.
What has been your experience so far at the Cannes Film Festival? Tomorrow's the last day, the anticipation is rising.
Yeah.
What's your read?
So this is also something that I hear from many people. We are a bit more confused this year than other years. I mean, the other years I knew which were my favorite films by the end of the festival, and that those films will be the best films of the year probably. This year I don't have the same feeling because even cases like Megalopolis, it's a film that in the end I liked, but it's also a film that is very intellectual. It's not an instant film that you will like while you watch it or you will appreciate afterwards. So.
Yeah. What about Paolo Sorrentino's? There's been a lot of back and forth about it.
Yeah. Most of the people don't like that film or like it less or have mixed opinions about it. I liked it because I like Sorrentino in general. So I was expecting something of that kind and I enjoyed it. It was really a Sorrentino movie. So if you like Sorrentino's films, just go for it when it's out.
Yeah. A lot of waves have been made by The Apprentice.
Oh yes, The Apprentice. So The Apprentice also is a film that I heard negative thoughts, but I'm also one of the few people who appreciated it because most people, from what my understanding is, most people expected it to bring something new to the table about Donald Trump, about the whole thing, and it chooses just to be a sort of entertainment movie about the story of Donald Trump, even if it's shot on film and it has a nice style. So I enjoyed it. It was an enjoyable watch. I think regardless of your political opinions, you will like it probably. So
they say Nora might win the grand prize.
And I also agree. It depends on what the jury decides because either they decide on the safer American film that is Nora, or it could be The Seed of the Sacred Fig because of the political importance of it. All We Imagine as Light is also a film that is very much liked by the critics here at Cannes. So it could be also a film that Greta Gerwig and her jury team will like. I really don't know how to predict this year compared to other years. So.